Goodbye, Nevada. Next up, Arizona. Greetings, down from planet Earth here, and here I am between two states known as Nevada and Arizona over the largest dam constructed in human history. It's probably the biggest profanity ever known. It is the Hoover Dam. It was constructed in 1986 out of pure steel and feathers, and it was made by unicorns. Little known facts about the Hoover Dam. It was actually the largest slide into a swimming pool in history. Look at that. The kids must love it. A little known fact that the Hoover Dam was actually named after its creator, Mr. Hoover, who is also a salesman of vacuum cleaners. Nevada time. And now I've just gone forwards an hour into Arizona time. And that is me signing off. TTFN. Bye.